Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I'm gonna do, well, I was gonna say something special, but we always do something special in pouring. It's always a surprise, and most of the time it's a nice surprise. So this time, I hope it's not gonna be different. We're gonna do, well, all kind of thing. I don't know if it's gonna be worth all the work it's gonna take, but I hope so. I'm gonna do a swipe and a dip, and I'm gonna use, I should say, some Rainx. Then I'm gonna pour over again some paint. Then I'm gonna do another swipe. So we'll see what happens. I think it's gonna be interesting. Well, let's just go and see it, and let's come at the end to talk about it. Let's go. So guys, I hope you're gonna agree that again the result. Well, I think it's nice. It's a bit. It's the result. It's quite interesting though, because it's kind of flu. You know, it's something that it's made of dream. Should I say? I don't know if it's quite the way to describe it, but anyway, I think it's very nice. Is it worth all the trouble that I went through to do it? I don't think so. I think that one of the other way that because you know what, there's also a reason why I did it twice. I wanted to do it twice, but I didn't have a choice at the first time I did a go with it, because there was some part of the canvas that paint was missing. My wax paper did get rid in some places of all the acrylic. So that was a main reason why I had to do it another time. And I think it was interesting to put acrylic over the top of another layer of acrylic, which was sprayed with Rainx. I think it's going to be nice, because as I'm talking to you, there's all kind of thing happening and quite interesting. So I hope it's going to stay that way. I hope you're going to agree that it was kind of nice to do it that way. When I look at it, I think it's worth to do it that way. But again, you can do it only in one shot. But then the reaction between the Rainx and 2 layers of acrylic won't be the same, that's for sure. So I think it's a nice way to do it. I think it's something that we should again explore a little bit more with different colors, of course. But now I think it's nice. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna try it like always. And please don't forget to join us on Facebook and Instagram. It's always a pleasure to share with you on a daily basis. So I hope you're going to do it. And like always, please guys, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.